Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have this unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is the 100 pieces of block vehicle or car plastic rivets, holes or fastener, fender, bumper clips. This is the one on the left hand side is a 6mm, and then for the 100 piece I paid $1.95 with the free shipping, so it's less than $2. The one on the left hand side, and then the one on the right hand side is the one with the 8mm. This one is a little bit more, it's $2.84 with the free shipping for 100 pieces. And both of them came from China, so if you are waiting to wait and don't want to spend too much money at AutoZone or O'Reilly or whatever, or the other auto parts shop, you want to go ahead and just order on. I ordered them through eBay, so you could check them out yourself. I'm not going to give you all the links or whatever for the different seller. You just need to search it under 100 piece 8mm or 6mm, because I'm not promoting any of the reseller. So let's go ahead and get this open. So it's 100 pieces. I'm just gonna open one for you guys to check it out, okay guys? Because there's 100 pieces in there. So let me see. So they come with the insert, and then this one with the Philip locking pins. So all you do is just screw this in, and then you will expand it, and then lock your fender or whatever that you need to fasten. Okay, and this is the 6mm. Let's go ahead and do the 8mm one. Open it up for you guys to check it out. So basically the same concept, okay? And this one with the Phillips as well, the head of the locking pin. And then you just screw in, and then it will expand it, and then you will lock it. Okay, so this is the 8mm, and then this is the 6mm, the one on the left. Alright guys, so I'm trying to help you guys save money. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and like the video. Just be patient to wait for the shipment to come in. And if it didn't come in or whatever, you have an eBay buyer protection, so you could always dispute it. The item doesn't get into your mailboxes or to your address. Alright guys, so you could also share this with your friend on social media if they need to purchase any of this product, and help them save money. Also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, and share this, comment on below, and also turn on your notification if you guys haven't do so yet. So whenever I upload new and latest video, you could get it notified. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.